One day, Owley and Moose and Sealey went into the kitchen together, and they said, "This kitchen got so big. How did it get bigger than us? Look, I can fit inside of a pot." And Owl said, "Look, I'm not even as tall as a fork." And Seal said, "I can fit in a mug." And Moose said, "I can fit in a bowl." And Owl said, "I can use a fork to brush my owl hair." And then Moose said, "Look at these buttons on the microwave." And Owl said, "Look at the dishwasher. I don't know how it opens, do you?" And Moose said, "I am too short, I can't reach to open it." And Seal said, "Well, maybe if we all work together, we can open it. What do you think?" So Owl climbed on top of Moose, and Seal climbed on top of Owl. And then Owl tried to climb up the cupboards to get to the dishwasher door. And he got up really far, and then Owl flew up to Seal and held hands and then flew over to the button and opened the door. And then Moose jumped inside the dishwasher. And they pretended that they were the cutlery. And then their big sister Sophie came along and said,
"You silly Anna, what are you doing in the dishwasher?"
Luckily, Sophie saved them, because Auntie Christie was just about to turn the dishwasher on. But Sophie said, "Wait, let me save my animals." And she took them out of the dishwasher. And where did she take them?
She took them over in the living room.
She put them in the living room, and then everybody was happy. The end.